Yes, friends. How to do an automatic sum in Excel? I will try to explain this. Now let's say in a market, there are these fruits and vegetables. As types, there are usefeli honey, usefeli walnut, usefeli cherry, apricot, quince, etc. In terms of quantity, there are 100 units of usefeli honey, 700 units of usefeli walnut, and 800 units of usefeli cherry. How can we do an automatic sum of these? By coming to the end of the quantities and automatically pressing Ctrl-M on the keyboard, then pressing Enter, we can find the total quantity this way. Or if we can't do it on the keyboard, we can select all, go to the last row, and click on the AutoSum at the top right to find it this way as well. There is already a nice feature in Excel. When we hover over the operation we want to perform, it shows the keyboard shortcut, like this.